how to make Roblox full screen. So first, what you want to do is just go to any game, and once you've opened up your game, just simply click escape on your keyboard. Then this will pop up. Then just simply click on the settings and scroll down till you see the full screen option. So just simply click on the arrow button right here to change it, and as you can see, it will automatically let you go full screen, and now you could enjoy Roblox at full screen. So the second method is just by simply clicking on F11 on your keyboard. So click on F11 on your keyboard and it will automatically go to full screen, just like so. And if you're on a laptop or on a different keyboard, you simply need to click on Fn plus F11 on your keyboard. So if F11 worked for you, then that's good. But if it didn't work for you, you may need to click on Fn, then F11 on your keyboard at the same time. And that will basically make your Roblox go full screen.